Hello and welcome. As you all know, we were looking into different types of linear equations to solve, right? So in the previous part, we saw that the variables were in the denominator. Here in this part, the variables still will be in the denominator, but वो अकेले नहीं रहेंगे, right? They won't be feeling alone down there. They'll have numbers with them. They'll have coefficients with them, all right? तो इसको कैसे solve करना है? Exactly the same way. Question को देख के panic नहीं होना है. Let us see how we proceed with this, all right? So the equation is going to look something like that. Variable तो है, पर coefficient भी है. Variable तो है, coefficient भी है. तो पहले क्या करेंगे? First of all, identify what kind of a sum is this and how is it different from the previous sums that we've solved. So we can see here that there are variables as well as numbers in the denominator. Can we separate these two? Can we separate this two? Because for substitution, we only need 1 upon x, 1 upon y. बराबर वही चाहिए हमें, right? So we need to get rid of numbers. We need to get rid of numbers in the denominator. To get rid of numbers in the denominator, we have used the method of LCM. We have to use the method of LCM, all right? And to eliminate variables in the denominator, we use substitution. We substitute 1 upon x with a temporary variable and 1 upon y with another temporary variable. Let us see how. So we have 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 3. What are the numbers in the denominator? 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? What is the LCM? 6. We know that the LCM is 6. So multiply the equation with 6 throughout, okay? Throughout. So you'll have 6 times 1 upon 2, 6 times 1 upon 3y and 2 into 6. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Cancellations, okay? You'll have the cancellations. 3 into 1 upon x is 3 upon x. 2 into 1 upon y is 2 upon y. And 2 6 are 12. Equation 1. Equation 2. 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equals to 13 upon 6. Numbers कौन से है? 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6 का LCM क्या होता है? 6 again. So we multiply the entire equation with 6. Okay. So you have 6 times 1 upon 3. 6 times 1 upon 2y is equals to 13 upon 6 times 6. 1s are 2s are cancellations. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled out. 2 into 1 upon x, 2 upon x. 3 into 1 upon y, 3 upon y and 13. Alright. अभी ये हमारे standard equations हो गए 1 and 2. What we'll do? 1 upon x as a temporary variable, 1 upon y as a temporary variable. Can you solve this? Can you attempt this? Can you solve this? If you are confident enough, pause the video, complete the entire sum and then check it out with me. Alright? Look at 1 and 2. Are the equations linear? Absolutely not. They are not linear. Then how do we make it linear? Substitutions, right? By substituting. So what to substitute? जो इसको linear बना सकता है. So 1 upon x will be substituted as a temporary variable and 1 upon y will be substituted as a temporary variable because it is common in both the equations, right? So you'll have 1 upon x is p and 1 upon y as q. Okay, so equation 1 and 2 can be rewritten as क्या होगा? 3p plus 2q is equals to 12 and 2p plus 3q is equals to 13. So you'll have 3p plus 2q is equals to 12 and 2p plus 3q is equals to 13. Right? Now you can solve these two equations, the equation number 3 and equation number 4, by any of the three methods that you know. Substitution, elimination, cross multiplication. Alright? We'll solve using substitution method. Consider one of the two equations. कौन सा कंसिडर करेंगे? Any of the two, preferably the simpler one. Preferably the simpler one. So let us consider equation number 3. Consider किया. Consider करके क्या करना है? You have to get it in the form of P is equals to something or Q is equals to something. So let us rearrange this as 3P is equals to 12 minus 2P and then shift the coefficient of P. So you'll have 12 minus 2P upon 3. Okay? नया equation बन गया. Write it as equation number 5. ये 1 था, ये 2 था. After substitution you got third and fourth. After rearranging you got the fifth one. Alright? What is the name of the method? Substitution. तो कुछ तो substitute करना पड़ेगा. क्या substitute करोगे? Equation number 5. कहाँ पे? In any of the third or fourth equation. ऐसा करोगे? नहीं. जो equation हमने consider नहीं किया था, right? Where do we substitute it? We substitute equation number 3 and where? In the equation which we did not consider. Remember substitution, okay? Which we did not consider. तो कौन सा था वो? Fourth वाला. तो पकड़ो इसको. P की जगह पे put the value of P and get the value of Q. Substituting 5 and 4. So you'll have 2 times P का value क्या है? 12 minus 2Q upon 3. The rest of the equation remains as it is. Okay? Let us try to solve this. Bracket multiplication. 2 times 12 is 24 minus 2 times 2 is minus 4Q. Okay, so 24 minus 4Q upon denominator रहेगा and then the rest of the equation. Alright? 3 को इधर multiply करो. Remember we did it in the previous sums. Yes, we did this in the previous sum. So you'll have 24 minus 4Q upon 9Q and denominator will remain is equals to 13. ये उधर shift करो. Okay, so you'll have 24 minus 4Q plus 9 is equals to 39. Constants on one side, variables on one side. Minus 4Q plus 9Q क्या आएगा? 5Q plus 5Q is equals to 39. Shift the constant onto the other side. You'll have 5Q is equals to 39 minus 24. The value is 15. तो Q क्या आएगा? 15 upon 3. 15 upon 5 which is 3. Alright? P चाहिए. P कैसे मिलेगा? By substituting Q in one of the equations. Okay, so I'll substitute in fifth one. So ये fifth वाला equation था यहाँ पे. Alright, I'll substitute Q in here. So you'll have 12 minus 2 times 3 upon 3. Q की जगह पे 3 डाला. Okay, so you'll have P is equals to 12 minus 6 upon 3. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 6 upon 3 is 2. P मिला, Q मिला. खत्म? नहीं. X and Y चाहिए. Resubstituting P as 1 upon X. तो X का value क्या मिलेगा? 1 upon 2. Excellent. And Q as 1 upon Y. तो Y का value क्या मिलेगा? Reciprocal. If Q is 3, Y will be 1 upon 3. And that is your answer. Clear है? Alright? Numbers and variables दोनों होंगे. तो पहले numbers को हटाओ. कैसे? LCM. Okay? LCM. Obtain the equation 1 and equation 2 in the form of variables in the denominator. Substitute them with a temporary variable. Solve to obtain the value of temporary variable using any of the 3 methods. Substitution use करो, चलेगा. Elimination या फिर cross multiplication. Obtain the value of temporary variables and resubstitute them in the values. Resubstitute them to get the values of X and Y. Alright? Thank you.